Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have x plus y plus 2 times of xy equals to 16. And here we have the one condition is that our x is greater than y and y is greater than 0. It means that our x and y are also greater than 0, and here we find the values of x and y. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we multiply this equation by 2 and we write it as multiplying by 2. So when you multiply this equation by 2, it is written as 2 times of x plus y plus 2xy equals to 2 multiplied by 16. So here we need some simplifications and we write it as, so here we multiply this 2 on all of these terms and it is written as 2x plus 2y plus 2 times of 2 becomes here 4 times of xy is equals to, this is 2 times of 16 and 2 times of 16 equals to 32. And now further here we need to just rearrange this equation, and we write this equation as 2x plus we write this is 4 times of xy plus this is 2y equals to 32. And now further we focus on the first two equations, first two terms, and in first two terms we have the common term is 2x. So when you take it common 2x, we just get here 1. Here you get 1, and here you take common 2x, then you get here 2 times of y, and this is plus 2y, and this whole equals to 32. And now in the next step we need some simplification, because here we just make the factors of this equation. So here we need to add plus 1 on both of the sides. Okay, here you just focus that we just add this plus 1 on both of the sides of this equation. And now you see here this is 2y plus 1 and this is also 2y plus 1, so that we this term be the common term from these. So here we just take it common, 1 plus 2y, and it is written as 1 plus 2y we take common, and here you get 2x. So when you take common 1 plus 2y here, then we get only 1 equals to, this is 32 plus 1 equals to 33. So here we rearrange the terms, and here we first write the term involves x. It is 2x plus 1. After that we have 1 plus 2y equals to 33. So here I can just rewrite the given condition. So our given condition is that our x is greater than y is greater than 0. So according to this we just say that this 2x plus y is greater than 1 plus 2y and it is greater than 0. Okay, so here we focus on we just remind this equation. Okay, so this condition. So now here we in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor and it is 33. So now first we find some possibilities in which you get the product of two numbers is 33. So that we have some possibilities, we just write it here. 1 times of 33 equals to 33, and 33 times of 1 is also 33, and after that we have 11 times of 3 is 33, and 3 times of 11 is also 33. So we have, these are the some possibilities. So now here we choose those possibilities whose satisfied this condition. It means that our first value is greater than the second value. Okay, so if you see here our 1 is less than 33, so that we reject this value or reject this case, and in this case we have 33 is greater than 1, so we choose these values, and here you have also 11 is greater than 3, we choose these values, and here you see that 3 is less than 11 and we reject this value. Okay, so we have we just have these two cases in which we can proceed this question. So now we just divide this into the two cases. Okay, first we write here our case number 1, and here we write our case number 2. So in case number 1, we compare the left hand side with these two values, and in second case we compare the left hand side with these two values. Okay, so when you compare the left hand side with these two values, it is written as 2x plus 1 equals to 33, and this is 2y plus 1 equals to 1. So this is the case number 1, and in second case we compare the left hand side with these values, and it is 2x plus 1 equals to 11, and in this case we have 2y plus 1 equals to 3. So we have these two cases, and now we can solve these two cases and we easily get the values of x and y. So now here first we proceed our case number 1. So from case number 1 we first copy down these two equations here, and it is 2x plus 1 equals to 33 and 2y plus 1 equals to 1. So here from first equation we have 2x equals to, we move this plus 1 to the right hand side and it will become 33 minus 1, and in second equation we have 2y equals to 1 minus 1. Here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side. Okay, so here we get the value of x is 2x equals to, this is 32, and we move this 2 in the right hand side and we get x equals to 32 over 2. So here you easily get the first value of x equals to 16. And similarly in this case we have 2y equals to 0, and here you get the value of y equals to 0. Okay, so in the here you get the value of y is 0. So now here after this we move towards our case number 2, so that from case number 2 we just get, so here first we copy down the equations we involve. Case number 2 is 2x plus 1 equals to 11 and 2y plus 1 equals to 33. So these are the two equations in case number 2. So here we move this 1 to the right hand side and we get 2x equals to 11 minus 1, and we get the value of 2x equals to 10. So we move this 2 to the right hand side and it will becomes 10 over 2, and we get the value of x is 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay, so after that we solve this equation, and here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side and we get 2y equals to 33 minus 1, and you get here 2y equals to 32. So you have y equals to 32 divided by 2, and we get y equals to 16. So these are the two values of x and y. So finally we have the two solutions of the given equation. The first solution is xy equals to 16 and 0, and the second solution is xy equals to 5 and 16. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.